We have an iPhone 11. Let's get it fixed. And now it's crunch time. Next, we'll stick it in for round 2. Then we'll clean up the frame just before we replace the back glass. We're gonna do some scraping, some brushing, because this thing has been replaced before, and as you can see, this glue is a little bit harder to remove than the original. It's all around the frame and the wireless charging coil, but we got that cleaned off. Then we just glue it down and replace the back glass. All that's left is a quick cleanup and clamping it down with our specialized clamp to ensure an airtight seal. And there we go. It's as good as new. Thanks for watching.